Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2018 certified pre-owned GLA 250 4MATIC. This one's a Cirrus white. Underneath it's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 208 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. For wheels we've got 18-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. Black MB Tex interior. Panel sunroof. GLA 250 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate, set all season and regular floor mats. This one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, an LED logo which appears when you open the door. Got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities. It also has smartphone integration, which is going to give you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Paddle shifters for extra performance. Push start ignition. This one also does come with the convenience package, which is going to give you auto dimming mirrors, garage door openers. Got a rear view backup camera. Hard key for a media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders. This GLA has 20,595 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLA 250 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.